Good morning, everyone. First, I would like to sincerely thank EduTV for giving me this wonderful opportunity to speak today as a part of EduTV 3 Minutes Tribute by the leaders of tomorrow, honoring the legends of today. My name is Siddhi Ratri, and I'm a student of Delhi Public School, Bangalore East. I would like to take a moment to acknowledge and thank our respected principal, Dr. Manila Carvalho, for her constant support and encouragement, which inspires students like me to take part in meaningful events such as this. Today, I feel honored to speak about someone who has profound impact on education in India and beyond, Dr. Vidya Yera Dekar. Dr. Vidya is a rare blend of intellect and leadership, a medical doctor, a lawyer, and a PhD scholar in internationalization. Her journey is remarkable. But beyond her qualification, what makes her truly inspiring is the passion and purpose she brings to everything she does. As the principal director of the Symbiosis Society and pro chancellor of Symbiosis International University, Dr. Vidya has shaped an institution that now welcomes over 45,000 students from every state in India and more than 85 countries worldwide. This isn't just a number, it is a symbol of her vision for education without borders, where learning is inclusive, global, and transformative. Through her work with UGC, ICCR, CABE, and international advisory groups, including the World Bank, she's not only helped build Symbiosis into what it is today, she's helped shape the very framework of higher education in India. Dr. Vidya, what you've built isn't just an institution, it is a legacy of ideas, of diversity, of empowering young minds, and of showing us what leadership means lifting others with you. From one student to an extraordinary educator, thank you for making a space for dreams like mine. As a girl who wants to pursue law as a career, you're such an inspiration. Once again, I thank my school, Delhi Public School, Bangalore East, and my principal, Dr. Manila Carvalho, for their support, and a heartfelt thank you to EduTV for providing this platform to share my thoughts today.
I am Vedant Singh of Aditya Birla Bani Bharti. I would like to start with expressing my heartfelt gratitude to EDU TV and to our principal sir, Mr. Gautam Sarkar, for giving us such a golden opportunity to interact with such legends. Imagine a bridge, one that connects tradition with transformation, academia with aspiration, and India with the world. That bridge has a name, Dr. Vidya Yeravithan. As the Pro-Chancellor of Symbiosis International, she has transformed the idea of a campus into a global class where cultures meet, minds grow, and learning knows no borders. Her journey is far from typical. A qualified doctor by training, she chose not a stethoscope, but a strategy to bridge the gap in education. Under her guidance, Symbiosis has become more than just a name. It's a symbol of innovation, inclusivity, and international excellence. And here's what truly stands. In an era where buzzwords rule, she chose action over applause. Her emphasis that university education is not just about gaining knowledge and skills for employability. It is about inhibiting empathy and sensitivity to society needs. Today, we honor not just an educator, but a catalyst, one who sees students not as products, but as possibilities. Thank you.
Good morning to all respected guests, educators, and my fellow students. I am Jasmine Kaur, a proud 12th grader from KIIT World School, Delhi. I like to start by thanking Dr. Sangeeta Bhatia, our principal, and EduTV's 3M3 3-minute tributes by leaders of tomorrow honoring legends of today for giving us this beautiful opportunity to express our gratitude to the people who inspire us. There's a quote by Dr. Vidya Edwarkar that really stayed with me. Every cloud has a silver lining, and whenever you go through a crisis, you always emerge as a winner. It reminded me of the times I struggled as a student, juggling expectations, uncertainty, and self doubt. And yet, there's always a way forward, especially when we have people who lead by example. Today, I feel truly honored to speak about someone who has done just that. Dr. Vidya Yavetkar, Pro Chancellor of Symbiosis International University. Her journey is not just impressive, it's incredibly inspiring. She started out as a medical doctor, but she didn't stop there. She studied law, pursued a doctorate, and went on to lead one of the India's most respected universities. That kind of determination and curiosity is something I deeply admire. Under her leadership, Symbiosis has become a home to over 45,000 students from 85 countries. That's not just a number, it's a sign of how inclusive, forward thinking, and globally connected her vision is. She has served on national and international platforms, led key committees, and has been recognized as one of India's most powerful women. More than any title, what stands to me is her belief in education as a way to create the future, not just wait for it. As someone about to step into the world beyond school, I often wonder if I will ever be ready. But then I see stories like hers, stories of reinvention, leadership, and staying grounded in purpose. And I feel hopeful. Dr. Vidya shows us that success isn't just about achievements, it's about impact and lifting others as you grow. To all my fellow students, let's take inspiration from our example. Let's be bold, curious, and compassionate. Let's just not aim to do well, but to do good. Thank you.